I'm Dennis Carusa, CEO of Volta Insite. Volta Insite was founded on the premise of helping customers solve all their electrical issues. We are predictive maintenance software where we can find problems before they become catastrophic. We are not vibration analysis. We are very complementary to that. We actually look at the voltage and current waveforms of your critical electrical assets, and we make determinations based on certain changes and anomalies that happen within the waveforms. Some of the things that we can find are things like intermittent ground faults, which happen for very short durations. We monitor overloads on a continuous basis. We can find VFD fault problems, either control or within the VFD itself. One other aspect of intermittent problems that can lead to catastrophic failure are contactor faults, which start to evolve over time, leading to single phasing. We catch it in the early stages, and we're able to send alerts and tell people what exactly to look for to prevent catastrophic failure.